Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a question that's on the minds of many car owners. What's the average price of an oxygen sensor in 2025? If you're dealing with a check engine light or just curious about maintenance costs, this video is for you. Let's break it down step by step. First off, what's an oxygen sensor? It's a vital component in your vehicle's exhaust system. It monitors the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases, helping your car maintain the right air-fuel mixture for optimal performance and to reduce emissions. Without it, your engine could run inefficiently, leading to poor gas mileage and potential environmental issues. Now, onto the main topic, the average price. Based on current automotive trends and projections, by 2025, you can expect the average cost for a single oxygen sensor to range from about $50 to $150. That's for a standard, aftermarket sensor. However, prices can vary widely depending on several factors. For instance, if you drive a luxury vehicle like a BMW or Tesla, you might pay upwards of $200 for a high-quality, OEM part. On the flip side, for more common cars like a Toyota or Ford, budget options could be as low as $30 to $100. What influences these prices? Things like the type of sensor, whether it's a wideband or narrowband, the brand, and even regional costs for labor if you're getting it installed. Inflation, advancements in technology, and supply chain stability could also play a role by 2025, potentially making sensors more affordable due to greener manufacturing processes. If you're thinking about buying one, my top tips are to shop online at reputable sites like AutoZone or Amazon for comparisons. Always check for warranties to ensure quality, and consider doing a DIY installation if you're handy. It could save you $50 to $100 in labor fees at a mechanic. Remember, replacing a faulty sensor not only improves your car's efficiency but can also help you pass emissions tests. In conclusion, while prices for oxygen sensors in 2025 look manageable, it's smart to stay informed and proactive with your vehicle's maintenance. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more auto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.